Hello everyone. I would like to welcome you once again back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angela Ruta Alinga, and today I'll be tutoring you guys on how to use Microsoft Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft, and it can be used to present, organize, and analyze data in rows and columns. So here is how we are going to use it today. I already had one, but if you want to create another, you go to the blank workbook where you'll get a blank one. But here I had some information already. So here I have the names of my students, the subjects they offer, and the marks. So we are going to get the total of these, and then we're going to get the average, position, and comments. With this, you can either use functions or formulas. The functions are inbuilt, like they're within the computer system. Then the formulas are user built. Yeah. So to get the total, we are going to go to insert function. Here we have insert function, but first we come here and say, every function begins with an equals sign. So we are going to place the equal sign, equals to, then we come to this bar, put insert function, then here we insert sum, because sum is the same as total, right? Sorry about that. Let me undo that a little bit. So we're going to start by saying equals to, we're going to insert the sum and press here OK. Then so when you press the sum, then you come here and you click on OK. So as you can see with my laptop, it has already outlined the marks from math to SST. But you can as well do it manually. You can, after clicking on the sum, because computers function differently. After clicking on the sum, then you come and outline from math to SST. So from here, I am just going to press OK. Then here is my total. Here is my total. Then to prevent you from again going back, repeating the formula, the function and all that, you can just come and click on this, the cell, and you, after clicking on the cell, you pull it downwards. Then there your total has appeared. Then we are going to calculate the average as well using functions. So we come, never forget, equal sign, we go on the function bar, insert function, we tap on average, then we press OK. So here as well, it has outlined everything for me. So I'll just come and press OK. Then here we have the average. Then from there, you're going to tap on the cell as well, and you just scroll it down. Then there you get the average. Then we are going to get the position of each and everyone in the class here. Yeah, so for position, we're going to come and say equal sign, insert function, we look for where rank is. Not sure, I think I've passed it. Look for where it has rank. Yeah, for position, you're going to come and click here on the position. You put equal sign, then we type rank. Then we open the brackets. Make sure you open the brackets. Then we come and click on this average. Yes. Then we put comma after the average. Then again, we get the like the total of everything here. Like this, we are going to outline it up to down. So in other words, that's the 7. Then after that, we are going to put a comma as well. Then we choose the order. You can either decide to use like ascending order or like descending order. It's your choice. So for me, I will use descending order. So I'll click on descending order and put 0. Then you have to always remember to close the bracket, please. Then we close. Then we press type, enter. So here it is. Our first person is in position 5. Then from there, we are going to scroll up to down. Then there we have the positions in descending order. Yeah, then from there, we are going to go to comments. So for me, I am going to say equals to if my students, we're going to use the average to comment on like whether because me, I will base my comments on whether they're promoted or whether they have to repeat. Yeah. So I will use comments to make emphasis on my, I will use average to make emphasis on my comment. So I'll say if a moment, I think. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, so here comments, you're going to come and say equals to, then we say if, we open the brackets. Remember to always open the bracket, please. Open the brackets. So my comments, I will, as I said, I will base it on the average. So we come and click on the average. If a student has got like the average they've got is above, let me say it's greater than, wait a moment, it's greater than 95, then comma, I would say promoted. They've been promoted. And since the other clause is just 2 of them, you don't need to again bring in another if. So we'll just put comma. We first start by closing this. We close this, please. Then comma. Then we open again the quotations. Then we put repeat. There, repeat. And then remember to close. And also we close the bracket here. Don't always forget to close the bracket. Then we close the bracket there. Then enter. So you see our first person is promoted. So let's see the rest if they're promoted as well. So there, everyone is promoted except for Nathan, as you can see. And then also we are going to do grading of this. We're going to do grading. So we come here on insert, then we insert another column. So here is our column. Then we put here grade up there. It's going to be for grading. So on our grading, it will be equals to, then if open the brackets, if this marks is it's greater than 85, is greater than 85, it's greater than 85, I'll give it like D1, yeah, sorry, it's greater than greater than 85, comma, then you open the quotation, we give the student a D1, and then another if, yeah, if it's less, of course, if this very value is greater than 75, D2, 75, I'll give it a D2, right? So we have a D2, and again another condition, we make another condition, please, comma, please, again, if this very digit is greater than 65, it will be a C3. We shall give the student a C3, please, C3, and let me just conclude, if it's less than that 3, if we have like another condition, shall make another condition, comma, if this very number is greater than 55, comma, we are going to give the student a C4, yeah, you shall give the student a C4, and if it's less than this, obviously we're going to give it now an F9. If it's less than that, just put this one. There's no need again to bring in another condition. You can just, since it's the last, you can just put F9 here. So open the quotation, then we put F9, then we close the quotation, then remember to close the bracket as well. Press enter. I think my laptop is refreezing because I'll put too many, so I'm going to try and reduce from here. So I'll just say if it's less from here. 65 C4. I'll put C4, please. C4. C4. No comma. Open quotation. We have C4. C4. Close our quotation. And then, if of course it's less, we're just going to bring in that F9 part of it. F9. It's still not accepting, so I'm going to try, but I hope you have got the concept, because that is just how it is done. I'm going to try to make it less, like very less. So this is a D1, then from here, and B2 is this is D1. I'll just try to make it okay. It's greater than. Let's put it's greater than, please. It's greater than 65, okay, or 55. Then the person is said to have got F9. Yeah, so open the quotation. Open the quotation and you put here F9. F9, we close it. I don't know why mine is not accepting, but okay, let's try this. Put this. Let's put F9. Yeah, so that is how we do it. Then after, you just come and scroll this up to down. So here it is. It depends on how you put your conditions, Kati. Like mine, I had put the conditions like if someone has got above like 85, then they have like D1. So all these people are like below that. So that is why you're seeing F9 throughout. So that is how you handle Excel. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube videos. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be tutoring you guys on how to do Excel, Microsoft Excel. And Excel is a spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft, and it's majorly used to organize, present, and analyze data in row and columns. So here is what I have. So here we're going to learn how to create a report card as a class teacher. So here I already have the names of my students, the subjects they offer, and the marks they have. So we are just going to get a total average position, then we are going to comment as well. So to get all this, you can either use functions or formulas. Functions are inbuilt while formulas are user built. And when we're using functions, functions always start with an equal sign. So put equal sign, go to insert, then we choose the function we want, which is sum. After we have done that, we come here and press OK. So here it has already outlined for me. just come here and press OK. Then tap on the cell and drag it downwards. So there we have. Then we're going to average equals to insert function. Come on, tap on average, press here OK. It has already done it for me as well. Tap on OK. Then we come and click on the cell, drag it downwards. Yeah, so the next one is a position. We're going to get the position. So position equals to rank. Then we are going to come say equals to rank. Open this bracket. I'm going to use total here to get the rank. So I'm going to click on this. Then again, we click. We put a comma. I come and again click on it. Then we outline all. So there we are. Then the order, you choose the order you want it to be in, either descending or ascending. So whether if you want it to be in descending, you input 0. Then when you want it to be in ascending, you have to use 1. So mine, I want it to be in descending, so I will use 0 here. Then remember to close it. Then we have to insert the $ in between this. So we're going to, at the beginning of the F2, we're going to insert a $. So shift, then 4, give us that $. Then in between F and 2 as well, need to put that $. Then at the beginning of F7, yeah, here, F7, shift, then in between, yeah, so there, then we enter. So here you can see the positions. Then you just come and click on the cell. So there we have the positions. Then we're going to make comments here. You're going to comment on the students. So my comment will be based on whether they're promoted or they have to repeat. So we'll come and say equals to, then we say if, we put the condition, open the brackets, if this is greater, it's greater than 95, they have been promoted. Yeah, it's greater, sorry, it's greater than 95. You're going to say the student has been what? Promoted. So promoted. And if it's less than that, then we know they have to repeat here. So we write repeat. Then we close the bracket, then enter. So here we see, and we scroll it downwards. So there we are. Then we have to grade. We have to give them gradings. So I will have to insert another column there. So you come to the toolbar and say insert column. Yeah, we're going to insert a column. Then we put up here grade. So your grading can either be in terms of D1, D2, D3, or you can either decide to use like if they've passed or failed. So me, I will use if they've passed or failed, that condition. So equals to if open the bracket. If this is it's, let's say, is greater than, is greater, sorry, it's greater than 78, it means, okay, let me say 75, it means the students have what? Pass. Let's say pass, yeah, pass. But when it's less than 75, it means they failed. So fail, and we close the bracket, please. So you see the first person has failed because they got a 70. Then we scroll this downwards. So that is all I had for you guys today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel.